In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your Shopify store. This simple step-by-step process will allow you to customize your online store's appearance, making it more appealing and consistent with your brand identity. First, let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Content tab on the left-hand menu. This will lead you to where you can manage all files associated with your store. Next, click on Files from the options displayed. Here you'll find your media files where you'll be uploading the new background image. To upload the image, click on Upload Files and select the background image you wish to apply. Make sure that your image is high quality and ideally fits the visual style of your store. After uploading, we need some additional code to correctly apply it as a background. Open a new browser tab and head over to the specified pastebin link. Here you'll find a snippet of code necessary for the background setup. Go ahead and copy this code. Returning to Shopify, click on Online Store from the left-hand menu and then navigate to Themes. Find the theme you're currently using, look for the three-dot menu on the right and click on Edit Code. This will take you to the code editor for your theme. Inside the code editor, locate the Assets folder and within it click on Base or Cess. This is where we'll be pasting the copied code. Scroll down to the bottom of the style sheet and paste the code there. Don't forget to click Save afterward to ensure all changes are kept intact. Once saved, exit the code editing interface by clicking on Exit. Now return to the Content section and again proceed to Files. Find the newly uploaded background image, hover over it and click on the copy link icon to obtain the direct URL of the image. With this link copied, navigate back to Online Store, then Themes, and open the code editor once more by clicking on Edit Code under the three-dot menu next to your theme. In the base CSS file, scroll to the portion where you pasted the code earlier, replace the existing image URL within that code with the new URL you just copied. Ensure the URL ends with the image file type such as .jpg or .png and doesn't have any extra parameters attached to it. Now click Save again to finalize these changes. Lastly, click Exit and return to your online store's main settings. Select View Your Store to see the newly added background in action. With these steps completed, your Shopify store should now have a fresh, new look with its custom background. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.